Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Find X2 Neo. In this video I'll show you how to add internet speed indicator to status bar. In the beginning let's go to Play Store and download Internet Speed Meter Lite. Then open this app, go to Settings, Preferences, Advanced Settings and tap Add to Whitelist. Now you'll have to find the app and add it to whitelist for Do Not Optimized. Sometimes it won't be possible to find this app right here, but in that case the indicator will be automatically added. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.